Today, the central government of India has presented the Union Budget 2026 in Parliament. This budget will decide how the country's money is spent and how the economy moves forward. But the real question is, how does this budget affect you, your family, and your future? Watch this video till the end to understand the Union Budget 2026 in simple and clear language. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, the central government presented the Union Budget 2026, one of the most important financial announcements of the year. The Union Budget defines the government's priorities, whether it is growth, jobs, infrastructure, education, healthcare, or support for different sections of society. In this video, we will explain the key highlights of Union Budget 2026 and its impact on the common man. Pushpin: what is the Union Budget? The Union Budget is the annual financial plan of the central government. It explains how much revenue the government expects to collect, how much it plans to spend, and which sectors will receive priority funding. The budget directly affects taxes, prices, employment, development projects, and economic stability. Classical building: main focus of Union Budget 2026. The Union Budget 2026 focuses on economic growth and stability, infrastructure development, manufacturing and self-reliance, support for farmers and small businesses, long-term fiscal discipline. The government has chosen a balanced approach rather than short-term populist measures. Chart: increasing economy and growth. A major highlight of this budget is the continued focus on economic growth. The government has increased spending on capital expenditure, which includes roads, railways, housing, and public infrastructure. This kind of spending helps create jobs, improve connectivity, encourage private investment, strengthen the overall economy. Sheaf of rice: agriculture and rural development. For the agriculture sector, the budget emphasizes improving farm productivity, use of technology in farming, strengthening rural infrastructure. The aim is to increase farmers' income and make agriculture more sustainable in the long run. Factory MSMEs in manufacturing. Small and medium enterprises play a crucial role in employment generation. The budget includes measures to improve credit access for MSMEs, support domestic manufacturing, encourage entrepreneurship and startups. This is expected to benefit youth and job seekers across the country. Family: man, woman, girl. Impact on the common man. Now, let's talk about the most important aspect: the impact on the common man. This budget does not bring major sudden changes. Instead, it focuses on maintaining economic stability, controlling inflation, improving public services through long-term investment. The government's strategy is growth-led benefits rather than immediate relief. Money with wings: prices: what may change? Some items may become cheaper due to changes in duties, while a few may see marginal increases. Overall, the budget avoids sharp price shocks, which helps households manage expenses better. Bar chart: expert opinion. According to experts, this budget maintains fiscal discipline while continuing investment-driven growth. It avoids excessive spending and focuses on building a strong economic foundation for the future. To summarize, Union Budget 2026 is growth-oriented, focused on infrastructure, employment, and economic stability. Less populist and more long-term in approach. Designed to strengthen India's future rather than offer short-term gains. What is your opinion on Union Budget 2026? Do you think it benefits the common man? Share your thoughts in the comments. Like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more simple explanations of current affairs. Thank you for watching. Stay informed, stay aware. See you in the next video.